Imagine a future where humans are multi-planetary species. This is no longer just science fiction, but the ambitious vision of SpaceX's Mars program. In the year 2002, a man named Elon Musk dared to dream. He founded a company, SpaceX, with a lofty goal that seemed nearly impossible at the time, to make space travel affordable, thus paving the way for the colonization of Mars. It was a vision that sparked both excitement and skepticism, yet Musk remained undeterred. The early days of SpaceX were filled with trials and tribulations. The challenge of building a private space transportation company from scratch was immense, but Musk and his team were fueled by their passion and relentless determination. They encountered numerous setbacks, including 3 failed launches of their first rocket, the Falcon 1. Each failure was a blow, but it also served as a lesson, a stepping stone on the path to success. Then, in 2008, came a pivotal moment that marked a turning point for SpaceX. After 3 unsuccessful attempts, the Falcon 1 finally reached orbit. It was a triumphant moment that signaled the dawn of a new era in space travel. The successful launch of Falcon 1 was not just a technological achievement, but also a testament to the power of ambition and perseverance. This was more than just a single successful launch. It was a proof of concept, a demonstration that it was possible to build a cost-effective, privately funded spacecraft. It also marked the first step in SpaceX's grand vision, the first step towards the colonization of Mars. The journey to Mars is a long and challenging one, filled with numerous obstacles and unknowns. Yet, with the success of the Falcon 1, SpaceX proved that they were up to the task. They showed the world that they had the technology, the expertise, and the determination to make their ambitious vision a reality. And so, with the successful launch of Falcon 1, the journey to Mars began. SpaceX didn't just set out to visit Mars, they aimed to revolutionize space technology. When we talk about revolutionizing space technology, we're talking about the development of the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets. These aren't your ordinary rockets. They're reusable, bringing a new era of economic feasibility to space travel. Imagine if every time you flew in an airplane, they had to throw the plane away afterward. That would make air travel prohibitively expensive, right? Well, the same goes for space travel. SpaceX turned this model on its head. With the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, they've created vehicles that can launch into space, deliver their payload, and then return to Earth, landing upright on a drone ship in the middle of the ocean or back on the launch pad itself. It's a stunning achievement, one that has dramatically reduced the costs of reaching orbit and beyond. But SpaceX didn't stop there. They also developed the Dragon spacecraft. This spacecraft has been instrumental in supplying the International Space Station, demonstrating SpaceX's ability to reliably deliver cargo to space. It's not just about getting to space, it's about what you can do when you get there. And with the Dragon spacecraft, SpaceX has shown that it can accomplish critical tasks in the harsh environment of space. Through the development of these innovative and groundbreaking technologies, SpaceX has not only transformed our approach to space travel, but also brought us one step closer to the Red Planet. They have shown us that, with the right technology and the right approach, reaching Mars isn't just a dream, it's a possibility. With these technological advancements, SpaceX proved that Mars was within reach. Enter Starship, the spacecraft designed to carry humans to the Red Planet. This isn't your ordinary spaceship, no, Starship is a testament to the genius of human innovation, a marvel of engineering that's poised to redefine space travel as we know it. Imagine a fully reusable transportation system capable of ferrying up to 100 people to the Martian surface. That's the vision behind Starship. Its design is a masterclass in efficiency and sustainability, with features like a stainless steel structure for durability and a heat shield for re-entry. But Starship isn't just about looks, it's about performance. This spacecraft is powered by Raptor engines, SpaceX's most advanced propulsion system, designed for the rigors of interplanetary travel. With its high thrust and efficiency, Starship is built to go the distance. And it's not just the hardware that's impressive. The Starship mission is built on a foundation of rigorous testing. From multiple high-altitude flight tests to countless hours of engine firings, every aspect of Starship is put through its paces to ensure it's ready for the journey ahead. But the real proof is in the pudding, as they say, and SpaceX has plans to put Starship to the ultimate test, an unmanned mission to Mars. This mission will not only demonstrate Starship's capabilities but also gather valuable data that will inform future manned missions to the Red Planet. The dream of colonizing Mars isn't just a figment of science fiction anymore, It's a tangible goal that's inching closer to reality every day, thanks to the relentless work of the SpaceX team and their Starship. Starship stands ready, a testament to human ingenuity and a vessel for our Mars-bound dreams. What does the future hold for SpaceX and our Martian ambitions? Let's take a moment to ponder on this. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, has been quite vocal about his plans to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars. He envisions a future where humans are a multi-planetary species with Mars serving as a second home. To achieve this, SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently under development, is poised to play a crucial role. It's designed to carry up to 100 people, making it the vessel that could potentially ferry the first settlers to our Martian outpost. But what's the timeline for this grand endeavor? Well, Musk is aiming for the first crewed missions to Mars to take place within this decade. However, establishing a fully functioning city, capable of sustaining life independently, is a long-term goal projected to be achieved by the year 2050. Living on Mars, though, presents its own set of challenges. The planet's thin atmosphere, low temperatures, and lack of oxygen, among other things, are hurdles that need to be overcome. To combat these, Musk proposes a two-pronged solution. Firstly, terraforming or modifying Mars' environment to make it Earth-like. This could involve techniques such as releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet and thicken its atmosphere. Secondly, constructing life-supporting habitats where conditions can be controlled to mimic those on Earth. Yet these solutions are not without their controversies. Terraforming, for instance, is a process that could take centuries, and its ethical implications are heavily debated. Similarly, the technology to create large-scale self-sustaining habitats is still in its infancy. But these challenges aren't deterring SpaceX. In fact, they're fueling its innovation. The journey to Mars is filled with challenges, but if there's one thing SpaceX has shown us, it's that no obstacle is too great. SpaceX's journey to Mars is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. The narrative of this epic space odyssey is punctuated by a series of remarkable milestones, each marked by both success and setbacks. It all began with the launch of the Falcon 1 in 2008. The first privately developed liquid fuel rocket to orbit the Earth, it was a pivotal step towards making space travel more accessible and affordable. Then followed the Dragon spacecraft in 2012, a vessel that not only ferried cargo to the International Space Station, but also redefined our approach to space exploration. In 2015, the Falcon 9 made a historic landing back on Earth after delivering its payload to space. This was a game-changer, paving the way for reusable rockets, drastically cutting the cost of space travel. SpaceX's Starlink project, launched in 2019, took us another step closer to Mars. It aimed to provide low-latency broadband internet services to remote areas, enabling communication in space, and thereby facilitating future space exploration. In 2024, the Artemis II mission, the first crewed lunar mission since the Apollo era, is set to take flight. This mission will mark the first woman, first black person, and first Canadian to fly to the moon. The mission is a collaboration between NASA and SpaceX, and it underlines the international cooperation that space exploration has fostered. Yet, this journey has not been without its challenges. Each success was preceded by a series of failures, each failure a lesson learned, each lesson bringing us one step closer to Mars. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, one thing is clear: the journey to Mars is just beginning.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.